Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today's video is my empty house tour. I moved on Saturday and it is now Thursday, but moving day was pretty hectic. That's the day I filmed the empty house tour, so I actually came over to the house early to quickly film that before all of the shifting and lifting began. So because of that I didn't get a chance to film an intro. I thought I would just quickly show you around the house and then I could do an intro at a separate time, which is what I'm doing now. So obviously it's not going to be a particularly long video, it's not a massive house, but I just wanted to show you guys around and almost like a little before, because I'm going to be, yeah, obviously styling each room, which are going to be separate videos and I actually can't wait to do them. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe because there's going to be a lot more interior and house content coming your way. And yeah, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you put the notification bell on as well, then you won't miss a video. So this is inside my front door. So you walk in and this is my hallway. And you go to the left into the lounge. I've got like a little alcove. I think I'm going to pop a table in there and I think I'm going to pop the TV up here. And then my sofa will go here, but all will be revealed. And you go back into the hall and into the kitchen. And it's all been newly fitted out. So I've got this like really nice high gloss pale grey cupboards with a granite effect worktop, and the sink matches. Do a little pan of that. And then there's been new flooring laid as well, which is like a grey tone oak. I've got new carpets up the stairs. This is my favourite part of the house. So you go up to the top of the stairs and there's a big massive window and it makes it so light in here and I literally love it. And then you turn right into my bedroom. Again, there's just like new carpet in here. So this is my bedroom. It's hard to tell like the sizes of stuff, but you'll see once the furniture is in. And I love these windows as well because they're like really deep. So I can put some nice stuff on here. I think I'm going to put some nice curtains and like a little cushion in this window so it almost looks like a window seat. And this is a cupboard, but it's not a cupboard. It's a huge like walk-in wardrobe. So I've got two hanging rails and then I've got my two mound drawers that were in my room. I've moved these over already, and I can open them fully in here. So yeah, I might change this around. I don't know, I'm going to see how I get on with this for now because obviously I can't afford to like do everything. So I already had this and this fits perfectly in here, so I think I might have that, and then all my shoes along the top for now. And then I've also got a brand new bathroom fitted as well. So, and it's also so nice and light and airy in here because I've got two windows, and then I've got the bath and the shower screen and the hand basin, and this is like a wet wall, but it's so nice. Look, it's like glittery white and glittery silvery flecks, and that wet wall goes all the way up to that window. So it's a pretty big bathroom. So yeah, I can't wait to get styling. Back in my bedroom. It's moving in day, so I'm really excited. I'm doing this really quickly before all the madness happens. But yeah, I've got so much to show you guys. I'm so excited for all the content. I was gonna vlog moving day, but I don't think I'm going to now because it's just too hectic. So yeah, I best get on with it. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this really quick little empty house tour, and I will see you in my next video.